You think you don't have a green thumb, or maybe you cannot take care of a plant, or you're just starting to be a gardener, or you love plants, but usually they die? Well, anyway, I will introduce to you the plant that will always survive regardless of if you are a green thumb or not. This is the peace lily. I have flowers on them 2 months ago, but now all the flowers are gone, but they usually have white flowers. I can show you a picture of it beside this video. But anyway, this is a kind of plant that even if it gets dried up for like a week, they never die. You will just see that the leaves will wither. But then you just water it again and the plant will again thrive. So as you see, this peace lily has actually the small variety of leaves. Some peace lilies can have these very big leaves, and they also have very big flowers. And they usually have these white, beautiful flowers. So some of my friends said, I don't want to have plants in my house because they just die. I don't have a green thumb, or maybe you forget to water them. But this plant is a very, very resilient plant. They can survive even if they dried up sometimes. And even if there are times where you cannot change the soil immediately, they still survive. But of course, it's very good for this plant that you will change the soil of it even just once a year, and it's okay. You can have this anywhere inside any room. I even have one of these in my bathroom. You can have one in your bedroom. And this is a plant that is really very tolerant. So you don't have to think so much about what kind of plant you want to begin for, because if you're a beginner, I can really recommend this plant to begin with. And as an indoor plant, especially when you live in an area or a place or country where you have the winter season, then this plant is really nice. Of course, in summer you can put them out, but be sure that you hide them first for a week or 2 weeks somewhere else where it's shady, or else if you put it immediately and it is being exposed direct to the sunlight, then it can cause that the leaves will actually get destroyed. So I recommend that if you put it out during summer, try to hide it first for 1 to 2 weeks, and after that you can put it out and it will be exposed to the sun. But what do I do with mine? There are a lot of times where I just have them inside because they are already used to be indoor. So having a kind of beautiful, this is kind of something very natural, and it really works everywhere. And you can have them in a small pot, in a bigger pot. And peace lily actually comes in different sizes. So these ones are kind of a medium-sized leaves. There are even some that are smaller than that, and there are some that are really big, but of course they also bear very big flowers. So Liva Buhay is actually recommending this plant to all of you there who likes to have a low maintenance plant, a plant that you don't have to take care so much. I mean, do I use fertilizer? No. Once they are there, what I do is just I water them when they get dried. And the best policy, I've always said that to all my viewers, the best policy if you want to be sure that the plant needs water, it's to hold the soil. When it's moist, then you don't have to water it, okay? And by the way, this plant is actually very nice if you can have them in a big pot, because if you have them in a big pot, then it means they can also grow bigger and wider. They will give you more of this plant if you have it. And if you want plenty of them, all you can do is just put this out and divide it. So this plant you can actually reproduce or plant more by division. you divide and pull it out from there and then divide it. And yes, you will thank me if you just begin with this plant, and then I'm sure you will like it. What are you waiting for? Buy now your peace lily plant. Bye-bye.